Okay. We're going to clip in the clipping hose. My guy is clipping in the clipping hose. The main function of the clipping hose is to clip different types of hoses securely in place and take the weight off of the end user, which in turn helps productivity. That is the main function of the clipping hose. The clipping hose has 4 different size clips: 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 5/8. The 1/4 inch hose fits paint airless hoses, as you can see on the lift right now. It also fits air compressor hoses like nail guns. 1/2 inch and 5/8 are used for pressure washer hoses and garden hoses. We have covered all construction type hoses. Here is a great example of the clipping hose with a 1/4 inch hose on an airless spray hose attached to a scissor lift, as you can see on a scissor lift. Now we're clipping in the 5/8 inch ID hose to the clipping hose, which goes on a pressure washer, and we'll show you how that works here. Got her all hooked up. Pick her up in the scissor lift. Here's a great example of the clipping hose, the 5/8, into a pressure washer hose, securing it to the scissor lift and taking the weight off of the pressure washer hose itself. Our last function is using the extension ladder with the clipping hose, attaching it to a rung of the ladder, securing it in place, and taking the weight off of the hose by the end user to go ahead and power wash the buildings. That originally was the main purpose of inventing the clipping hose.
And as you move down,
you can clip it onto the next rung and keep coming down as you're pressure washing the side of the building, and just keep coming down, and it's securely attached to the ladder, and the clipping hose attaches the hose to the clipping hose. We're using a 5/8 ID hose with the pressure washer. Pretty standard. So the main function of the clipping hose is to secure the hose to the clipping hose and to take the weight off of the end user to increase their productivity. The main places we'll use the clipping hose is on extension ladders, scissor lifts, GLG lifts, lulls, that type of construction equipment. Thank you.